Welcome to Mining Hub Activity Insights. My name is Bill Stormont, and here's the news that caught our eye this week. Meridian Mining reported further results from the Cabacal copper gold silver project in Brazil, including 38.2 meters at 3.2 grams per ton gold equivalent and 12.4 meters at 3.3 grams per ton gold equivalent. The campaign is filling gaps in historical assays and refining the void model in sparsely drilled zones. Brixton Metals reported additional results from the Trapper gold target on its Thorn project in BC. Intercepts included 77.25 meters at 0.9 grams per ton gold, an interval of 9.25 meters at 4.79 grams per ton gold, and another of 2.25 meters at 18.5 grams per ton gold. The program aimed to delineate the main mineralized corridor along the Lawless fault zone, with further step-out drilling north of the primary zone. Orla Mining provided an exploration update for its South Railroad project, where significant gold intercepts have demonstrated potential to extend oxide mineralization beyond projected pit boundaries, supporting mine life extensions at the Pinion and Dark Star deposits. Additionally, higher-grade sulfide gold mineralization has been identified. As of September 30th, 13,000 meters of the planned 20,000 meter drilling program has been completed, with activity set to continue into the season's end. Cartier Resources disclosed drill results for the Portal Zone as part of the 28,000 meter, 174 drill hole ongoing exploration program at its East Cadillac property in Quebec. Results featured 7.2 grams per ton gold over 8 meters, including 0.5 meters at 26.2 grams per ton. Since March, drilling has identified 5 new high-grade gold zones, with 2 rigs targeting high-grade mineralization along the Larder Lake Cadillac fault zone. Zodiac Gold released drill results from the Alasala target in West Africa, featuring 4.05 meters at 13.92 grams per ton gold, including 1.6 meters at 34.5 grams per ton gold, and 7 meters at 2.23 grams per ton gold, including 1 meter at 12.65 grams per ton gold. Drilling confirmed high-grade continuity at depth, with 4.05 meters at 13.92 grams per ton intersected 75 meters below surface. The program, completed in October, included 8 holes across Mandingo Hill, Manfield, and Lion Hill. Nucor Gold reported further drill results from its Enchi Gold project in Ghana. Key intercepts included 0.94 grams per ton gold over 54 meters from 150 meters depth at the Boan deposit, with a higher grade section of 2.11 grams per ton gold over 7 meters. The mineralization extended beyond the current pit-constrained mineral resource estimate, with the hole ending in mineralization. Signal Gold released final assay results from their 5,179 meter drill program at the Goldboro deposit in Nova Scotia. Notable intercepts included 7.56 grams per ton gold over 1.9 meters, 3.8 grams per ton gold over 3 meters, and 2.61 grams per ton gold over 2.2 meters. Over at Metals Creek Resources, we had results from the 3rd hole of their diamond drilling program at the Tillex Copper Project, 65 kilometers east of Timmins, Ontario. Hole 22, which was an undercut of hole 21, yielded a significant 92-meter interval of 2.12% copper and 12.18 grams per ton silver, with a higher grade section of 4% copper over 18.4 meters. The program's data is being compiled to refine geological models and plan future exploration. American Pacific Mining reported assays from the initial 7 drill holes at their Palmer Copper Zinc VMS project in Alaska. Notable intercepts included 16.4 meters grading 5.1% copper equivalent, with a with a higher grade interval of 10.4 meters at 7.3% copper equivalent. The 2024 drill campaign comprised 6,035.9 meters across 19 holes, including 3 recollared holes. The program focused on infill drilling and delineating high-grade mineralization in the South Wall Zone 1 and Zone 2 and 3. Commerce Resources released their first drilling results from the Knox prospect on the Eldor property in Quebec. Intercepts include 69.4 meters at 0.61% niobium pentoxide within a broader 96.5 meter at 0.51% interval. The Marana prospect returned 65.7 meters at 0.53% niobium pentoxide, including 35.7 meters at 0.67%. These results highlight the potential for additional critical element discoveries near the Ashram rare earth and fluorspar deposit, according to the company. And SPC Nickel announced high-grade results from their 2024 drill program at the West Graham project near Sudbury, Ontario. Highlights there included 1.46% nickel and 0.32% copper over 10.5 meters from 85.5 meters depth, within a broader interval of 0.78% nickel and 0.38% copper over 45.6 meters from 72.9 meters. These results represent the highest nickel grades of the summer campaign for SPC Nickel and exceed the average grade reported in the January 2024 maiden mineral resource estimate. F3 Uranium Corp reported drill results from their JR zone at the Patterson Lake North project. A high-grade intercept returned 12% U308 over 2 meters with an ultra-high-grade core of 0.5 meters of 20.7% U308. They also announced that they've successfully closed a previously announced bought deal private placement, raising $8 million in gross proceeds. The offering included the full exercise of the underwriter's over-allotment option, and the company issued 7.5 million federal flow-through units priced at 37.5 cents Canadian, and 12.5 million Saskatchewan flow-through units priced at 41.5 cents each, resulting in a total of 20 million flow-through units at a blended price of 40 cents per unit. Fireweed Metals results from 9 additional drill holes at the boundary zone of the Mac Pass project in Yukon were released this week, and highlights there included 106.85 meters of 4.61% zinc, 0.52% lead, and 11.88 grams per ton silver, as well as 54.58 meters of 8.68% zinc, 3.68% lead, and 87.4 grams per ton silver from 311.5 meters downhole. The drilling aimed to expand mineralized zones and improve resource confidence, successfully intersecting vein and replacement mineralization. 17 of 49 holes drilled in 2024 have been reported to date. The Cassiar Gold Corporation has wrapped up its 2024 exploration campaign at the Cassiar Gold Project in northern British Columbia, completing 30 diamond drill holes. Results from 24 holes, along with data from geophysical surveys and field programs, are still pending. These findings will inform an updated mineral resource estimate and a technical report expected in 2025, as well as upcoming presentations and roadshows across Europe and North America. The company also announced the appointment of Michael Wood as their new Chief Financial Officer. FPX Nickel announced that it was expanding its claims at the Baptiste Nickel Project in British Columbia's Dekar Nickel District, increasing the total area to 451 square kilometers. The expanded land package enhances geological potential, project flexibility, and simplifies regional engagement. New claims cover 188 square kilometers with an additional 18 square kilometers acquired for $185,000. And Elemental Altus Royalties announced the completion of its acquisition of an additional 50% interest in AlphaStream Limited for $28 million US, paid in 34 million newly issued shares. La Mancha also exercised anti-dilution rights, resulting in proceeds of $17.7 million. That's it for the news. There's more available to you on the Mining Hub website, and you can access this and view this information by visiting app.mininghub.com. Create your free user login there. We'd also encourage you to register for a free trial with Mining Hub Pro. That'll give you access to the functionality you've been seeing here as we go through the news, as well as allow you to access Mining Hub's comprehensive resource for industry updates and transparency tools. And last but certainly not least, please be aware that none of the preceding information is intended as investment advice. Any investment decisions taken by listeners are entirely at their own discretion and are not the responsibility of Mining Hub. Please do your own research. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next week.